Oh my god, it actually looks like I've cut my hair this short. Oh, it doesn't look good on me, does it? That looks weird. I'm running in. Oh my god. I think I like it. I don't think I'd have the balls to like cut my hair that short though. I know my hair's like a right mess. I'm getting my roots done eventually. So yeah guys, my bum's sticking to my cheek because it's so sweaty. Hey guys, welcome back to the Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing this look right here. I know I've kind of been a little absent next week. No, I'm not going to be absent next week. I was absent last week. I do apologise for that. I do explain in the video why I was absent, so you will hear my excuse. I'm sure you'll probably hear my excuse. So I would say it's a valid excuse if you ask me, so don't get mad. But yeah guys, if you want to see how I got this look with the P.Louise Cinna palette, then please feel free and keep watching. So today I'm going to be going in with this palette here. This is the P.Louise. This is the P.Louise Secret Cinna palette, and it's very bougie and very bulky. Literally is like, if you ever used to have like video players, it's like reminds me of like an old video case. And as you can see, like, massive mirror, loads of colours, all mattes. So I'm kind of feeling like doing an all matte look. So let's just jump right up in. Yeah. So obviously I have done my eyes, my P.Louise base, and I'm not set with any powder or anything. I'm going to do it in true P.Louise fashion. Now I should probably just mention, you're probably thinking, oh Lace, you sound really weird. Yes I do. I've got tonsillitis. I've had it for about a week now, hence why there was no video up last week, because I was dying. So I was a bit busy. But yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, I'm on the mend, as you might say. I'm on the mend. So I'm gonna go over Idolize. I'm gonna put that right in my crease. But yeah, this is like the first time I'm gonna be putting makeup on like for like a week. I've not had eyebrows on, literally I've not even had the energy to put any makeup on. I've never had tonsillitis in my life, and I already know I don't want it again. So yeah, I got this palette for a little birthday present because my birthday was at the start of July. So I got this as a little present, and I've only had a chance to use it once. That was because I was experimenting on like an eye look to do for video, but this isn't the look, because it was a very kind of, you know, typical me look. I quite like that shade. So that shade is Idolize. I quite like that. I feel like I kind of want to go in with Rendezvous. Now, a lot of these colours look really muted in the palette, but from what I've experienced, they come out a lot more vibrant on the lid, which is really strange. So the next colour I'm going to go in with is Climax, bright yellow shade. And I am just going to start buffing some of those edges out. Go back in with that Idolize shade, just to make sure I haven't lost any of that pigment. So the next shade that I want to go in with next is a Velvet Kiss. It's kind of a mix between a red and a pink shade. Pack that intensity on. Back in with that Climax shade and just kind of buffing out the edges. Cool, I like that so far. I think I want to go in with Addicted. Define that out of V a bit more, to be honest. I'm going to do it bit by bit so I don't end up going like too crazy. So I'm just going to start tapping motions. So I'm just going in the outer V, and then I'm just gliding up into my crease. Here we are so far. We're looking a little bit like the Instagram logo. But I kind of do want to do the cut crease and then kind of further define things from there. So I have a couple things in mind for the cut crease. I kind of wanted to do like an ombre, so maybe go in with the white first, and then with the baby pink, and then with the dark pink. So okay, let's get started. So I've got them like all on the back of my hand. I'm gonna go in my Sample Beauty pigment, and it's just a white pigment, just a matte white. So I want it to set. Okay, so I set this middle part here with the shade Infatuation, which is like a bubblegum pink in the palette. And then on the outer part of that cut crease, I am just going back in with that Addicted, that bright purple shade. Just kind of blend out those edges. Okay, so I've put a little bit of my highlighter on the white part of the eye there, the inner part. I don't know, I think it looks nice. You probably won't be able to see it on camera, but I've put the slightest bit of highlight, like I haven't put any glitter, just highlight on it, and I don't know, I think it looks good. Right, I'm just going to finish off the other eye just so we're kind of all caught up there, but I'm pretty much finished with this eye. Just going to finish what I'm going to do to this eye, and then we'll be all caught up. I'm back. I'm just kind of washing my hands because it's literally like that meme where it's like my hand looks like this so that my eyes look like this. Because like, I'm pink. So that's kind of how the eyes are looking at the minute. I do want to do a wing, which I know it's going to take me another bloody, what, like 2 hours to do. But, you know, do it all. Go all out. So I'm going to just go into my Inglot liner. Oh, so when I get a sweat on when I do liner. The lashes that I'm going to go in with are the lashes from Pinky Goat, and they're in the style Fairer. I'm just going to put some mascara on, and then I'm going to put these on. So those are the eyes kind of all finished. I don't know if you can quite see, I have popped some glitter in the crease there, and what I used was my Stila Paulina, the glitter one. I just put that on an eyeliner brush, kind of went through that through my crease. But yeah, that was super easy to do. Right, so I'm going to move on to my face now. I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. By the way, I'm sorry if you can hear like outside. I had to open the window because I'll get a bit sweaty, and I'm sitting on a leather chair and I'm wearing shorts. You can kind of guess where I'm going with this. So, window is open, so apologise if you could hear anything. Okie doke, that's primer. My foundations are my Huda Beauty and my NARS, and they are in the shade Angel Food for the Huda Beauty and Mont Blanc for the NARS, and I'm also going to put in some illuminator drops in as well, just kind of, I don't know, I just find that all my foundations seem to blend easier with it. So I'm just blending out my LA Girl Pro Conceal as my contour. No, close my window again. I'm going with my Jouer concealer because I've missed it so much. Do I need an excuse? Right, time to set the face, I reckon. And to do that, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty powder. I've got an itchy nose. For one last tap under the eyeballs. I don't really like to properly bake under the eyes. I like put it under there, but I kind of... I'm just going to set the cheeks. So I'm going to bronze, and I'm going to use my Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce. To contour, I'm going to go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. Just going to contour my nose. And then with my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. Powder, just to clean up under my contour. My red light is flashing, so we are going to hurry along and finish this eye look as quick as possible. So let's stop talking and get to it. So the first colour I'm going to go with on the bottom of my lash line, let's zoom you in, is Idolize, that first colour that we first went in with. Can I say first any more times? Then the next colour I'm going to go in with is Rendezvous. Then with that yellow Climax colour, I'm going to start buffing out the bottom part and really drag the colour down. Going back in with that Idolize. Then I'm going to go in with that purple Addicted shade right there. And I'm leaving it on the outer part of the bottom lash line. So then I'm going to do some inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight with my MAC Nylon, as always. And then I'm just going to apply some bottom lash mascara, and the eyes are pretty much done. So to highlight, I'm going to go with my Adore Beauty I Like a Diamond highlighter. I don't know what those kids are doing. I don't know if you can hear them, but they literally sound like they're killing each other. Like, I don't know why none of their parents are concerned. For a little topper, I'm using my Makeup Forever, is it Starlit powder? I'm just kind of using that to kind of just go on top of everything. Right, so I'm going to set the face in place. And then I'm going to move on to the lips. So for lips, I'm going to go in my MAC Subculture lip liner. Next, I'm going to go with my ABH Naked lip liner, liquid lipstick. And then I'm going to go with my Jeffree Star I'm Nude. And then I'm going to go with my Buxom Cosmetics lip gloss in White Russian. So guys, this is the finished look. Not like a super revolutionary or anything, but haven't actually done like any makeup all week, so it's just felt good to kind of dip back into makeup and just play with a bit of colour, play with a palette that I haven't really you know, had a chance to play with a lot. So if you guys want another tutorial with that, you know, with that palette, because it's a beast of a palette, feel free to give us a comment down below if you want me to do another one, and I will do that. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished look. Yeah, like I said, not super revolutionary, but you know, I'm happy with it. My throat, it's struggling, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm just gonna end it here, okay? If you guys enjoy this look, please feel free to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I wasn't very active this week, but I will be next week. So if you want to follow me on there, it's Lacey.makeup, and also feel free to subscribe because I will be bringing out new videos. And if you want to see another tutorial on that palette, give us a shout, and I'll definitely do that. If not, then I'll do something different first. But yeah, guys, until the next one, bye.